a very important date. It's a very important date because it's the day we disembark, Sunday the 1st of September. Look at that time, 6:41 a.m. That's because our slot for the breakfast, the final breakfast, is 7 p.m. We can't get off the boat till at least 8 o'clock, but we obviously are in dock. I'll show that in a minute. I'm going to keep on talking to see what happens here, because you see this boat, like you see this all the time, and every now and then you see a little Disney character going flying past on it. And within this thing you can watch the TV. There's Disney On Demand, My Disney Cruise, which I can't remember what that bit is. Ports Call tells you if you're stopping in any docks, like this year was Vigo, obviously in Coruna. Daily Navigator, it actually tells you what you spent on the boat, if it's linked properly. And Disney Demand, or sort of the Watch TV bit, would always have a... Oh, there it goes, look. That's little Ueasy from The Incredibles. The little boy runs really fast, isn't it? And every morning you get a little wake-up message from... I forget their names now, but the two entertainment officers on board, they get a little welcome bit. Let's see if we get another... Someone walk past. I'll keep on talking. Let's see. There's obviously little birds there flying past. It doesn't look as blue as on the telly as it is outside. I mean, it's a bit grim out there. A bit grim and grey. Welcome back to England. Is anyone going to come out now? Please, hurry up. There we go, we had Dumbo. I think we had... Oh, there we go. Oh, it's Spider-Man. There we go, Spider-Man. Let's have another Spider-Man. So there we go. I won't open the door. So there's not too much of a reflection, but again, now it's back to Southampton. That side with that big dome thing, which is a little bit lit up over there. If you can see that at all. And then Pauline assures me that to the left of us there are two other boats already docked. So it's probably that P&01, and I don't know what the other one is. So there we go, so bye bye room. Bye bye Disney lights. Bye bye Disney photo picture. The Disney ships. Bye bye mirror. Bye bye more lights. That's bye bye the refrigerator which we've used. Oh, it's a sad day, isn't it? But the only plus thing is that we will be back on a Disney cruise next year. Hashtag spoiler alert. We are back on the Disney Fantasy, which is sailing out of Southampton. And the Fantasy is almost identical to this ship, the Dream, but there are slight differences. We've been chatting to a couple of crew members, and they've pointed out some of the differences that we will see, which I shall obviously be vlogging, so you can see. Should you subscribe? Oh, who was that? I don't know who that was. That was obviously a superhero. Was it Ant-Man? Ant-Man don't fly, does he? But yes, anyway, we're coming back next year on the Disney Fantasy, so do feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell, which I don't normally say, in case you want to watch those videos next year. Oh, goodbye lifts. Goodbye deck 11. No, just deck 11, deck 8. Where am I? You can see there that viewing the pools out, you can see what's on each deck there. Entertainment, dining, recreation, shopping, youth activities. Here we go. Final breakfast in Animator's Palette. Pauline is studying the menu. She wants breakfast, but she partly doesn't because it is early. It is early. But if you want to see the breakfast menu, here we go there. Feel free to pause it so you can see what's on the menu there.
Flavourings. They just little milk.
This milk. No coffee, no tea. Madam juice.
Never do.
So Pauline is eating her breakfast. I won't video that bit. She's got sausages, bacon, smarter, eggs and all that sort of stuff. But they missed her hash brown out. So she said, oh, do you mind, sorry, bringing out a hash brown because she didn't put it on the plate. And that's what they come back with. A bowl full of hash browns. And she doesn't want to eat them all because her eyes are too big for her belly. So there you go. So if you miss a bit of your breakfast that's not on there, just ask for it and then you get a whole plate of them. be prepared. You could have a whole plate of like tomatoes, a whole pig of bacon. I don't know, but yes, that's funny, isn't it?
A few moments later.
It's the final walk, scoot. So at the portals over there, there's Southampton again. There he is, and now currently refuelling. I won't be able to see that, but they're refueling, going down there, filling up with petrol. No smoking. Big fuel tank, isn't it?
Disney Dream guests, may I have your attention please? This announcement is to inform you that the Disney Dream is now cleared by local customs and border protection for those guests with luggage tags, countries and characters that are cleared with Daisy. You are kindly invited
It's
to
us.
disembark the ship at this time.
Yeah. Well, that's the result. They just called that Daisy, and that's us. It's coming straight out of the restaurant and we can get straight off the boat. That's a booty bonus, isn't it? Everyone else is waiting, aren't they? So we're avoiding some of this madness now by getting straight off the boat. What a result. Well then.
If you have any of these items, please discard
Bye,
them
Donald.
in the bins as you disembark.
Bye bye, Atrium.
To have luggage tags, colors, and characters.
Oh, there it is there. Look. Daisy's coming off. That's us. Daisy, Daisy. Let's see how I can do this one-handed. Getting off this boat. That was easy. That was easy. Whoa, that was easy. Boom. There we go. Bye bye boat. Bye bye ship. Oh, there you go. There's more things being. Oh look, they would have been loaded on cases. That's for the next cruise. Already loading them on. Are they loading them on or loading them off? Loading them on. I don't know. Loading something, no. Could be loading them off still. There's people there that are moving the bags around. Definitely offloading cases still. So we got lucky there. We're Daisy, I think. Welcome back. We're back. Oh. There we go. You're here? Oh yeah. That's where we waited earlier on. Days ago we was there when we came back on. It was just the way out. One last look at the boat. Ship, boat. There's people out on the deck still, aren't there? There's a beehive of activity down there, isn't it? Right, now we're going down to the baggage hall. There's a steep incline here. So do bear this in mind, if you are taking your own suitcase off, this is how far you got to go. Lots of bumps, lots of pushing. So I do think it's easier to let the Disney people take it off for you, and when it gets to the baggage hall we'll just find it from there. Right, so it's quite a walk down, isn't it? Quite a walk down. Which I suppose shows you how high deck 3 is. How you diddling? Hot. Pauline's hot, and she's only carrying the hand luggage, as well as a couple of bags. Oh, there we go. Do you want to grab a trolley now? Yeah, do you want to grab a trolley? Do you want to grab a trolley? They're free. So there you go then. All the luggage is over there.
I really look actually because you're a bit in the kit by the glow.
Oh, where's Daisy then? Oh right, okay, I was looking the wrong side then. So we have baggage behind us, but we're Daisy, we're down that somewhere down there. So you can see how orderly it is, isn't it? Pauline's going down there to get the bag. They should come back in a minute with our bag, hopefully. We're going to borrow one of those to get to the car. Here she comes. Here she comes. It's probably the furthest one away, you bet. There she is. Baggage reclaimed.
Right, leave me alone a sec.
Where's she going? I think she's getting I was looking over there for the trolleys, but I'm guessing she's going. Oh yeah, she's going that side to get a trolley. There's a Wally with a trolley. There she is, Pauline, baggage handler.
AKA Donkey.
Donkey. Yeah. I'm filming like, yeah, this is like quality footage here, isn't it? You know? The expertise.
That's what mine says, isn't it? Not my first rodeo.
It's not your first rodeo. Look at that. So basically, we're hiring, pouring in out to do baggage reclaim. For anyone who wants to know, message below. She's got a reasonable rate, but she will need to come on the cruise with you to do both ends, obviously. I'm hiring your services to do baggage reclaim, but you're getting a cruise chucked in because you can be on and off the boat. Result. That's it. Back to the car. That's it. We've now left the terminal. Heading back to the car. We're lucky we're parked really close. You can see here, there's the terminal there we just come out of. To the right is where people get their Ubers. You can see the car. It's still there, no one's nicked it. So from a disabled point of view, it's really close for a disabled car. Oh, there's the cruise ship over there. I know that, I'm looking at a cruise ship. What cruise ship is that one, do you reckon? Don't know what that one is. Oh, there she is, getting one last look. One last look. And there we go, back into the car park. There you go. Final look at the boat / ship. So 2 funnels, aqueduct. Top deck is where Cabanas is. That's on the right as you're looking at it. And then the yellow bits are the lifeboats, which is a deck you can walk around. Bye bye. Bye bye. But we'll see you on the Fantasy next year.